Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I give a taste of the new online editor which is called IDX. So I've been invited to try it out, this new editor, and I just want to make a video about it. So what I did, I just opened the link where they have invited me, and so this is the dashboard. I hope this is the first thing that you are going to see when you open up the editor. And what I want to do is to try Flutter and see how it is. So you see that they have different templates, so if you don't find your own template, you can click on see all templates. For me, it's on mobile and then Flutter. So this is what I want to test. And one of the things which they say is that you can run iOS, so I just want to see how it works. So is it going to replace my local editor or how fast is it? So currently the loading speed, so I know I have one of the slow internet, but so as you can see it's just very slow, but as I can see the editor is fast. So let's see how it goes. So I'm going to call it subscribe. So this is how I'm going to call the project. I see that they are just adding some of other IDs on the bottom. Probably it's because they don't want that the same project have the same ID. So let me just click I accept agreement and then I create a project. So let's see what's going to happen. So this is my first time, so I don't know what's going to happen. So I can see they're telling me that they're setting the workspace. So so you can see now they give the name of the project, which is subscribe, and it has some IDs. Probably this is to make sure that each project has a unique ID, which is very descriptive, people can understand. And they are building environment, and then they are finalizing. Okay, let's see how it's going to be looking like. Let's wait and see. Okay, let's wait. So my goal is to make sure that I run the iOS and see how it goes, and also yeah, so that's what I'm looking forward to do. So let's wait it to be finalized. Yeah, sorry, my connection is just slow, but I don't know if it is my connection or if this is how long it takes to create a project, but let's wait and see. As I can see the traffic is kind of increasing, so let's wait and see what's going to happen. I don't know if it is my connection or but I know I have one of the worst internet. This is how it looks. Oh, it's white. So I don't know if I can customize the theme. So that's the first thing which I can do, because look at this white. I was going to run because of this white, but okay, let's wait and see how it's going to load. So I know my connection is very slow, so that's why most things are going to be very slow. So let's wait and see. And one of the things which can do is that you see that we have most commands that are, so if you have used VS Code, I think you have used some of these commands like Control P, Control Shift P, Control Shift F, and even the UI, it's almost like the same. So they have source control, they have run debug, they have extension, which is interesting, and Firebase. Oh, they have Firebase now. Maybe this is extension. So I didn't see this pop up. I was trying to see how they. Oh, this look like VS Code. And so you have like a terminal here, and you have, oh, this is nice. So you have also the settings. I think if you come here and then you come to themes, and so color themes, so I just want to choose dark. Oh, it's the interface is like VS Code. If you have used the VS Code, I don't think this editor is going to be any different. As you can see, this is how you change the theme, and just here, so you can see you can import a profile. So I don't know if I can import my profile from VS Code, so I will see if I can make a video about it, but this is how it is. So what I want, I'm just going to choose a theme and then choose the color theme, and then what I'm going to do is find any dark theme. So I just want to go with the dark theme, so I don't want to do any, but the way you see it, this is actually the VS Code inside the cloud. So if you have used so this is, I would say this is the same as VS Code, so it's VS Code which they put in the cloud. So let's wait and see. Yeah, I see that they have this. I know they have .idx, and as you can see, the icons, so they're looking nice. So I guess this is they have their own custom theme. And okay, if I choose main.dart, and let me choose like some file. So if you're using like slow internet like mine, so I think maybe it might go slow. So can I do erase here? Oh, my connection. Yeah, so I think because of my connection, my experience might not be good, but I believe that we can have better experience, better user experience when we are using the faster internet. So let's wait and see. So you see that they have Android and the web. I think this is where the output is going to be. So I hope that when you run Flutter, like the way they do it. So actually, I don't know if this, oh, I can close this one, and I can also open it again, and now the Android and web is gone. So let's see if I can I drag this one? No, I can drag it. I can't drag it. So let's see, can increase, or we can open the file using Ctrl P. So you see it's just going to work. So if I want, I can do main.dart, and then I can open it using Ctrl P. Okay, that's nice. So if I currently this file, so through some of the files might take some of the time, so let's wait and see. So as you can see, they're showing us that you can have Android is sticky. So if you have used Flutter on, and so they're also showing that Linux desktop. So probably, so this is a Linux machine which I'm using. So not sure if I'll be able to run. Maybe we see. So they're showing me that we have you can run a Linux desktop, and you can also choose to run. So these are the devices which are available. You can choose to run an Android, and also see we have 2 Android devices. So let me just choose one of these, and even we have the web. Okay, nice. So okay, now this is when my command is start to run. Yeah, it was slow, like loading. So you see that we had a loading button here, so it was slow, but it was because of my connection. So I have a slow connection. So, and if I do erase now, see that's just list all the files. So can I do erase, then do the like see all the file. Okay, now you see that I have all these files, so let's close and yeah, so try to see how it's going to look like. So then come here, and what I'm going to do is first going to wait. I don't know if it is running all these at the same time. I don't know if it has already run the Flutter, but if we come to debugger and oh, do we have any debugger here? So let's see IDX. This is oh, they have some kind of settings. So I think this is this if you have used VS Code, they have .VS Code, and this way they define like things about debuggers. So I guess this is the previews which they have, and yeah, okay. So we have .ignore, which is in .idx. Maybe there's some file. Okay, they don't want to include these files. So that's nice. For this folder, like .ready tool. So this one is some of the packages related to the project, which were packaged by R. So let's close this. Close also this one, and so I guess right now, so the thing seems to be going pretty fast. Let's wait and see if we get syntax writing now. Okay, now you see some high writing have started to appear. So yeah, my connection is slow. I think that's why most things are just taking forever. So let's wait, and this is it. But from my first impression is that this is VS Code that is online. So one of the things which you can do, I don't know if you can put this into full screen mode. Can I do it? Okay, now it becomes VS Code. So I just put this into full screen mode. Now I can run the command, and one of the okay. So if I use escape, it's going to okay. So let me just do control. So I'm going also to make it a full screen again, and I'm going to. So you see, normally whenever you do Control P and then you open this file, so it was possible that you can press escape and then it will just close. But if I do it while I'm in a full screen, it's going to close, and right now it works. Yeah, so it won't be easy to work on the full screen, especially if you need escape too many times. So let me just do Control K, and then Z. Oh, they have even Xeno mode. So this is, I didn't know this command was going to run, but it's VS Code. I can see it. Even the commands, the thing. So this is like a Xeno mode where you have like a full screen and then you can focus on your own thing. So currently you see, when you go in Xeno mode, even the screen is going to go in the full screen. So that's what I want to test. Since I have Xeno mode, oh, I'm very excited for this editor. So currently, because of my connection, my experience has been bad, but that's kind of video which I want to make. So thank you everyone. So I would invite you to, I would encourage you to come and then give it a try for this. For the next time, I will see if I can run iOS device and see how it goes. So thank you.